The circular coil ABCD carrying a current I, it is not 1, it is I, is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Okay. On uniform magnetic field, one circular coil is there, that is ABCD, and the current is here, it is I. If the magnetic force on the segment AB, on this segment, the magnetic force is AB is F vector. The force on the magnetic remaining segment BCDA is what we need to find. Okay. We know that the net magnetic force on a current loop in a uniform magnetic field is always 0. Okay. Then we can write it as F vector F is equal to AB, that is given, plus vector F, that is BCDA, is equal to 0. Then we can write it F is equal to BCDA. It becomes minus F is equal to AB. Then this becomes the BCDA on this segment, the magnetic field. On the magnetic force on the segment BCDA, the remaining segment becomes minus F. So option A is our answer.